So I started recording this thinking it was going to be a control arm remove and replace, but it turned into a lot more. I had to cut and extract the front bushing, which meant ruining some hardware and using some cutoff tools. So before we lose the effort that we did to get this out, because it is a very, very compact situation, I'll just walk through it. Pulling the bolt out stretched out the top and gave us a gap on the hardware. Once I had about a 1/4 inch gap on the top and I could see the threads, I cut the bottom of the bolt off first. After the bottom bolt fell out, then I cut the top section out, which allowed the control arm to come out. And there was just a teeny piece of bolt still left. So that was the main concern, was extracting the remainder of the bolt. That is why I stretched out the area before I started cutting. Because if we cut flush and flush, we might not be able to get a tool on there to get the remainder of the bolt out. That is the last piece that was left up here inside the fixed nut on the subframe. So 2006 Honda CR-V lower control arms. The bushings are blown out dramatically. So customer ordered up a whole kit to save some money. We're gonna see what else we can put on with the control arms, but let's see if we can get rid of the bad bushings first. So we have inner tie rod ends, control arm, another control arm, outer rod end, sway bar link, and ball joints. These are going to be the lower ball joints. That's what got us caught up, that bolt being stuck inside the worn out bushing. Well, it was spinning around 360. That's the reason why we're doing the job. This was already separated. You can see how much wear. It's been going on for a while.